Here are the top 5 best credit cards for 2022. At number 1 is the Capital One Quicksilver Rewards card. This card you can get whether you have excellent credit or you have fair credit or somewhere in between. You can get this card. You can even get a cash secured card, which means you give them $200 and then they give you a $200 credit line. It's a great way for beginners who don't even have a credit card to start. If you have good credit or excellent credit, this card will cost you nothing with a $0 annual fee. You'll get 1.5% cash back on everything with this card, even if you just have fair credit, and even with the cash secured credit card, you can as well get 1.5% back on everything. For this reason, I have put the Capital One Quicksilver Rewards card at the top of my list of being number 1 because it is by far and away the most adaptable for anybody's situation. If you're just starting to build credit or you've built credit, I have this card and I love it. I will link it down below. You can click the link and you can get signed up and get that card started today. At number 2, I have the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. I love this credit card. This credit card will get you 1.5% cash back on everything with a $0 annual fee, which is incredible. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is a very close number 2 because you will get a $200 sign-up bonus and you only have to spend $500 in the first 3 months. That's an incredible bonus, very easy to earn. You also, in addition to 1.5% back on everything, you can get up to 5% back on fuel, 3% on dining. You guys, this card is very good. If you're interested in this card, click the link down below and get signed up today for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. Get your $200 sign-up bonus when you spend your $500 and start earning money back on your fuel purchases that you're gonna do anyway, and 1.5% on everything. At number 3, I have the Discover It Cashback credit card. This card you can get up to 5% cash back on select categories for each quarter. For example, the first quarter, you are going to get 5% back at grocery stores and fitness clubs. Then the next quarter of 2022, 5% back at gas stations. Then 5% back at restaurants for third quarter, and 5% back at Amazon and digital wallets for the fourth quarter. In addition to this 5% back, you are also going to get 1% back on everything else that you spend with this card. And one of the best things is the Discover company is going to match whatever cashback you've earned in your first year and multiply it by 2 for your entire first year. If you've earned $200 back, you now have $400 that you've earned. If you earned $500, you now have $1,000. This can be a wonderful option if you're looking to sign up for a new credit card, and if you're dedicated to focusing on spending money on that credit card for that quarter, you can earn some big bonuses, especially in that first year where they're willing to double whatever you get back. I will link the Discover It Cashback card down below in the description. At number 4 is the Wells Fargo Active Cash credit card. This card has a $0 annual fee. You can get 2% back on everything, and you can get a $200 sign-up bonus when you spend $1,000 in the first 3 months. It's a wonderful card, good for a wide range of individuals with different credit scores. It's a great option to go. Pretty generic. There is the sign-up bonus though, which is very nice, and 2% cashback is awesome and not confusing at all. You can just go spend wherever you want. At number 5 is the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit card. This credit card is a wonderful credit card. It does have a $95 annual fee, but your sign-up bonus will be 660,000 points, which is $600 if redeemed for cash, up to $750 if redeemed for different travel. You can earn 3 times the points on dining, 2 times on travel, 5 times on hotels if you purchase them through the Chase system. You can get ridiculous amount of money back on this credit card. It really is a wonderful option, but I did put it at number 5 because it does have that $95 annual fee. But with the sign-up bonus, it's seriously worth it, in my opinion, to look into if you're looking for a wonderful credit card. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Again, all these credit cards are linked down below. You can go sign up for them now and start earning money back and sign-up bonuses right away. You guys have a wonderful day. If this video was helpful, please subscribe. It's helpful for the channel. Thank you so very much, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.